Hi, Jasmine. This is
Hello.
Tito Noli for OPMB Worldwide. Okay, my question is, since you are aiming for a back-to-back, so, do you feel pressured ba? Or inspiration sa'yo yung pagkapanalo ni Maria last year?
Pressured! Grabe, sino hindi mape-pressure sa ginawa ni Maria? We were talking about the strategy for the back-to-back win. Ang naisip lang talaga namin, if Maria did this high, I should be doing this high. So, hindi pa rin talaga namin alam, but I'm very pressured, of course. But it's nice to be pressured because sometimes you need to introduce yourself to new environments that you don't know in order for you to improve at the same time, surpass what you've done. And it's always something that I do whenever I feel uncomfortable, and that's the time where I can prove to myself that, wow, success ka eh. Because of success. You know, like you've changed, like you can improve. And more often than not, there's a big result and it's a positive one. So very excited with the pressure.
Okay, follow up lang. So after so many years of competing in various city and provincial and national pageant, you're now competing, finally, mag-compete ka na internationally. So, nung nalaman mo ito, ano yung unang inisip mo na yung priority sa pag-prepare sa international pageant?
Priorities that we've been preparing is just to practice more on public speaking, to improve how I could talk to a lot of people, to understand where they're coming from regardless of their spoken language, and once we've seen the handbook for Universal Woman, talagang it's very inspiring. Like, you need to surpass that cultural differences and to meet each other somewhere along the line. And that's what I'm really preparing for, and trying to know what my core is and what my goal would be in this pageant, and just focusing 100% on that alone and not letting anybody affect me during the entire duration of the competition.
Thank you. Best of luck.
Hi Jasmine, I'm Christian from The Craft Philippines. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Jasmine, we've followed your pageant journey in each of the competitions you joined. You did very, very well. Which pageant learning or experience will you be taking with you come the competition?
Actually, I was asking CJ this question. Para kasi, when you join a pageant here in the Philippines, it's just very difficult. Like, it tests your physical aspect, your mental aspect. And I feel like for the years I've been trained with the mental aspect, not to hear the online comments. A lot of people will have comments once I step on that stage. And I think that's one that I'm gonna take. But you know what, CJ is just a good queen sister. I asked her earlier, what did you feel when you represented Miss Grand internationally? And she just said that we've been trained so hard here in the Philippines that when we come to the international pageant, it's quite chill. There's still the pressure, but it's the pressure of the crown and the country that you're bringing with you. So I'm definitely taking that and just focusing on my core.
Since you knew your appointment as the new Universal Woman, have you had any conversations with Maria?
Yes, we did actually. And you know what? Maria is just a wonderful woman. She's really the definition of universal. Everything that she speaks is just, it serves the purest of intentions. And one thing that she gave to me as a tip was to be myself. I was actually overthinking how should I deliver myself when I come to India. And she just said, just be yourself, just be your authentic self. And I think that's one powerful message or tip, advice that she could give to me, because, at least you don't go far away from your core, and it's really your authenticity that could maybe get us a back-to-back win.
Thank you.
Thank you.
As per ALB a while ago, you're now preparing for your upcoming international pageant. So kasama ba dito yung preparation for your wardrobes na like designers, and may specific designer na ba for your evening gown and national costume? And pwede na bang i-share if ever?
Pwede na bang i-share?
Maybe.
Pwede na bang i-share? Oh my gosh, pwede na, ALB? Preliminary. How about NATCOS, ALB? Natcos. See, they know. We've met with Mami Erin Montoya. Well, I'll just say the designers for Mami Erin Montoya will be doing my national costume. We're very excited kasi Mami Erin, when we were there, she was sketching the national costume and I was just so amazed with her talent. Na parang, I think this is the first time that we would be doing this and I love how timely this national costume would be. So, aabangan. And for my preliminary, we have Sir Louis Pangilinan. So, very exciting collaboration. And I guess we stop there for the designers and the costume. So, ayun pa.
Okay. I'm just so happy that finally you're wearing a crown right now.
Yes.
I'm so Alam mo yan. Yes, go, go, go. So, Jazz, ito na. Since tama si Christian, we witnessed your pageant journey. So, do you think now is the perfect time to compete internationally?
Yes. Diba? Because I've been waiting and like I mentioned before, I felt like after Miss World is already the end for me. Parang I kept thinking when I joined Binibini, Miss World, parang baka hindi siguro sa akin. Because Miss World, I landed first runner-up. And you know what they say, you're already there but you're not enough just yet. Meron pang kulang. So when I was appointed, I felt like it's a continuation of that moment na parang maybe it really happens for a reason. And I do believe in that. And I'm just waiting for the universe to give me something, and at the same time, ang dami kong nakikitang mga clues during my preparation for Miss World that I can connect to me being appointed as Universal Woman.
Man, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Will be held in India. Have you researched about India or have you been there?
I haven't been there, but I've been asking a lot of people who have been there and could give me tips. And marami naman po. I'm just very happy that the people who I'm surrounded with are very helpful. They really help me with everything, lalo na yung mga kapitbahay ko. Si Mami Ian Mendehar is helping me. Miss Krishna Balsarza, the Miss World Philippines organization, is helping me at their best talaga. And I could say I'm very excited to visit India.
Thank you, Jasmine. Good luck.
Hi, Mars.
Hi, Mars.
So, Krishna will be also competing in India and you also competing in India. And hopefully, India will give us our second Miss World and Universal Women crown. My question is, what is your mindset right now?
Wow, my mindset is definitely a strategy to win for a back-to-back. Because coming into this, it's not very easy. Para sabi nga nila, it's easy if it's a win, and then there's no win after that, and then you're gonna follow it. They say it's easier, but I really don't know what I'm about to expect, but it's just really to give it my best, and especially to be given an opportunity to represent the Philippines is really heavy. I'm excited to take on that challenge, and my mindset is just to fight and win.
Congratulations in advance, Mars.
Thank you po.
We all know Universal Woman is advocacy laden. There are a lot of talking points about it. So I would like to ask if you will still be retaining the same advocacy as you've had in your previous pageants going to Universal Woman.
I have a lot of advocacies and charities that I support all throughout my pageant journey. And I do feel like a Universal Woman doesn't just really stick to one, but gives shines to advocacies that needed help. And this time, I will be working with the Children of Cure Foundation in Cebu, who are victims of child trafficking and sexual abuse online. And if you're gonna ask me the connection between it, I just want to say that at the end of the day, all I want as my goal for these advocacies is to give them a change in life through education. If you could see, most of my advocacy I did for Miss World Philippines is to give them that education, to have them given a chance to know who they want to become. And this is also what I wanted to do this time for the Universal Woman stage, and to give awareness internationally.
Can I ask just one more question. And then another question for ALV. I'm curious to ask, who's going to be your pasarela trainer? Kasi importante yan for Universal Woman. Will it be your pageant sister CJ? Or anyone else?
You know what? I'm very excited to have asked CJ for that. Naunahan ako ni Sir Adam to ask for tips. But definitely, I will be training also with Mom Ian Mendahar. She's been there for me since Miss World, and right now she's just very supportive of what I'm doing, and nakikita ko talaga yung gigil din ni Mama Ian to support me this time. And of course, CJ is always there as my BFF queen sister. So definitely we'll be asking more tips. Nagsimula na ako kanina, so next event, yun naman. The pasarela.
You're welcome. Okay, KALV naman. Sir ALV, we wanna ask you the burning question.
What?
Of today's press con. What was the thought process of selecting Jasmine Omay as our next Universal Woman representative? Kasi di ba syempre ang dami nila sa roster ng MWP. Meron po bang nakita kayong asset or may nakita kayong quality or characteristic ni Maria that made you choose her as our next representative? And what is going to happen po to Sofia Santos?
Okay. Of course, we have a very careful deliberation who's going to represent the perfect epitome of Universal Woman to represent our country. So there's a lot of names came out, but after a very careful deliberation, so Omay got the votes. So I think, and I'm sure she's a perfect candidate. No, her being smart, beauty, and her purposeful, her advocacy, of course, and the achievements, professional career niya. So those are the, the requirements of Universal. But the most important, you can speak. And with regards to Sofia naman, Sofia kasi, the problem, I did my best to fight for it. I fought for Sofia to reconsider her. But the problem with Sofia is the age requirement. That's the main reason. But Sofia will compete on September to another pageant, which is Miss Elite World. And that will be held in Egypt. And for Jasmine, there are a total of close to 80 candidates already. So it's a very for Universal Woman. So dami rin. So I really have to get the best. So far in our deliberation, she got the highest vote.
Thank you, Sir ALV, for the revelation.
Thank you.